Hi, in this JavaScript video tutorial series, you are going to learn this how to delete and add a new element in your array. So, which is pop and push. Pop is basically delete the element and which is the last element of array, and push is basically add a new element on the last of the array. So, we are going to do the practical about it, that how you can use that pop and push in array. So, let's start the tutorial over here. Here you can see I have opened my Visual Code Studio. Now here we are going to see the live preview of this HTML file, and here I need to create a file in our JS folder. So which is I'm going to creating pop and push dot JS. Okay, it is I have write it in caps, so let me make it a small caps. Pop and push dot JS, and save this file. Now close that left side of window over here. Now back to here, this is our index.html file. Now connect that file which is pop and push. So this file name directory, save this file. Now we have already opened this page index.html in our live server in our browser over here. Now let's go to our pop and push. So here first of all I'm going to take a variable var a is equal to, then take a array square bracket. Then inside of it I'm going to add some of this name, like I'm going to add it PSYSSC physics, and then adding math, and then another one adding is English. Okay, and then the last one I'm adding another one which is chemistry. Okay, now we need to see that this array element whatever we write it, so we need to go this document dot write, and we're going to do it print over here. Let's open this is a round bracket, and then we need to provide this our variable which is a, and save this file, and here also the termination. Now save this file, and we can see here this all of our array element, and it is displaying over here. There is physics, math, English and chemistry. So I want to delete this last one, this chemistry, from here. I can delete this, simply just delete from here, but I don't want to delete this. I want to delete using that the array element method which is pop, and pop will be used for the delete of the last element over here. Okay, now let's do the pop method over here. So for the pop method, which is first we're going to take the variable, then a dot pop, and take this round bracket and terminate this line. Now we need to print out this the document dot write, and here we need to provide that a. So now here this terminate this line also here. Now save this. Okay, it was showing this in one line all over them, so we need to add a line break over here. So we're using plus and then that quotation, and here we're going to add the beer. So I'm just using this same also in this another this document dot write we have used there. So that's also, this line also will be break over here. Now save this file. You can see this line is break, and from this last one the chemistry was removed automatically. So this is the pop method, and which is delete the last of this element of array element property, and which is last, so it was delete the chemistry, you can see there. Now if you want to add some another subject over here, so we can use that push method. For this we need to write simply directly the push, and then okay, not that, this is the same way we need to copy this one and paste it over here. Now a dot push, and then we need to add here a curly is double quotation mark, then inside of it the subject we want to add it. So I'm going to add it here the biology, this biology, and save this file. Now you can see here this physics, math, English and biology, that's another subject is added over here. So if you want to add more subject over there, so you can just copy and paste this line over here, and you can add this subject name over here. I'm going to adding this chemistry also again in the last over here, this chemistry, and save this file. There you can see the physics, English, biology and math, chemistry. So this is the way how you can add your subject in your array element, your subject or whatever you are going to using in your array element. So you can delete using pop method, and you can add using the push method. So this is the pop and push, how we can use it. So delete and this adding a new element over the array. So if you have any question about it, you can give me on the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like on it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any tutorial from us.